In programming, conditional structures are used to make decisions based on certain conditions. These structures allow the program to execute different sets of instructions depending on whether a given condition is true or false. In Python, the if-else statement is used to perform different actions based on a condition. It allows you to execute one block of code if the condition is true, and another block of code if the condition is false. So let's jump into the coding example. Here I am going to create a variable and will assign 10 to the variable. Now I am going to apply a condition of a is greater than 5. If the condition is true, then print a is greater than 5. Else print a is less than 5. As a is equal to 10, so the condition will be true and will get the output. A is greater than 5. Here you can see that we got the output of condition true. Now I am changing the value of a from 10 to 4. Here you can see that we got the output of wrong condition. Let's move towards elif. In Python, the elif statement is short for else if, and is used to check multiple conditions one after another. It provides an additional branch in an if-else structure to handle more complex conditions. The syntax of the elif statement is as follows. Let's move towards the coding example of elif. Here I am going to create a variable and will store 9 to it. Now we'll apply multiple conditions so you can understand the concept of elif clearly. Here you can see that we have multiple conditions. As the value of a is 9, so the first condition is true. Similarly, now we change the value of a, so now the second condition will be true. Again, we change the value of a to 7. Now the third condition is true. Again, changing the value of a so we can check the else statement. You can see that else block is executed and we got fail as output. In Python, nested if statements are used to create a hierarchy of conditions, where an if statement is placed inside another if statement. This allows you to check for multiple conditions and perform more complex decision-making. The syntax of nested if statements in Python is as follows. Here you can see the example of the nested if program. Here you can see that we have two conditions. The second condition will only be tested when the first condition is true. So as here the age is 25, so the first condition will be true, and as it is greater than the 21, so the second condition is also true. So finally we will have the output as you can also purchase alcohol. This was all about of this video. Hopefully we understand this video. If you have any query, you are pleased to put a comment. I will resolve that, so don't forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the like button. Thanks for watching.